Hello friends, welcome to Ramakrishnayan Educational Channel. We will discuss on Indian National Congress Foundation and the Moderate Phase. Important part. Indian National Congress Foundation and the Moderate Phase. Retired English civil servant A.O. Hume organized the first session of Indian National Congress at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College in Bombay in December 1885. Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose were the main architects of Indian National Conference. First session of Indian National Congress was attended by 72 delegates and presided over by Umesh Chandra Banerjee. In 1890, Kadambini Ganguly, the first woman graduate of Calcutta University, addressed the Congress session. Lala Lajpat Rai believed in safety valve theory. Bipin Chandra Pal observes A.O. Hume as lightning conductor. Important moderate leaders were Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, D.E. Vacha, W.C. Banerjee. They dominated Congress policies during 1885 to 1905. It was decided to hold a session of Indian National Congress in London in 1892, but did not happen. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and Raja Shiv Prasad Singh of Benares organized United Indian Patriot Association to counter Congress propaganda. Now we will discuss beginning of modern nationalism in India. Role of press and literature. The second half of the 19th century saw an unprecedented growth of Indian-owned English and vernacular newspaper. Numerous restrictions imposed on the press by the colonial rulers from time to time. In 1877, there were about 169 newspapers published in vernacular languages, and their circulation reached the neighborhood of 1 lakh. The press criticized official policies, urged the people to unite. It helped to spread modern ideas of self-government, democracy, civil rights, industrialization. Newspaper, journal, pamphlet, nationalist literature helped in the exchange of political ideas among nationalist leaders from different regions. Lytton's reactionary policies such as reduction of maximum age limit for the ICS examination from 21 years to 19 years in 1876, Delhi Darbar in 1877 when the country was in the severe grip of famine, Vernacular Press Act in 1878 and Arms Act in 1878, Bangabhasha Prakashika Sabha was formed in 1836. Zamindari Association was also called Landholders Society. Bengal British India Society was founded in 1843. In 1851, both the Landholders Society and the Bengal British India Society merged into British India Association. British India Association had some impact on Charter Act of 1853. East India Association was organized by Dadabhai Nauroji in 1866 in London. Indian League was started in 1875 by Shishir Kumar Ghosh. Indian Association of Calcutta or Indian National Association was founded in 1876 by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose. It merged with Indian National Congress in 1866. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was founded in 1867 by M.G. Ranade. Bombay Presidency Association was started by Badruddin Tayabji, Firoz Shah Mehta, K.T. Talang in 1885. Madras Mahajan Sabha was founded in 1884 by M. Viraragavachari B. Subramania Iyer, and P. Anandacharlu. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.